I was trying to clean my PS5, and I tore the cable off of the motherboard, the fan cable off, and I was hoping you guys could put that back.
Yeah, I can take a look here. Let me see. Key, yeah. All right, let me take a look here. Okay, I definitely see it's really loose there. All right, so it's off by 2 pins. So we can definitely do that here for you at Cell Phone Club. Just give us an hour, and we can definitely get it back to you, okay?
Okay, perfect. Thank you so
All
much.
right.
Oh yeah, I definitely see it. Yeah, that's great. Because it wasn't moving. I really just panicked and put it all back together as soon as I tore it off. No, but I do see it's not like turning off or anything, which is really nice. It's not like saying it's overheating or anything.
That's what it did before?
It would tell me that the LAN cable disconnected and then it would be like reconnected really fast. Which is why I wanted to go in there and clean it, and it's not doing it because it would do it like almost automatically. Be like, this something's disconnecting, something's not working. Yeah, no, this looks great.
All right. Good, good.
Yeah, I know it's not gonna find a connection. Yeah, no, this is great. Thank you so much.
Oh, good. All right.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay.
Have a really good night.
You too.
Have a
Bye.
good night too as well. Take care.